once again, YouTube. Andy with you with another video. This one's going to be fairly short, I think. Bit different to your norm videos. I'm normally out cycling, aren't I, and drone flying. Bit samey, those ones. Yep, I get that. So I have been out this morning doing some quotes for gutter cleaning. One of them was, let's just say, probably beyond the pale. It was a right mess, to be honest, but some parakeets up there. I don't know if you can see them at all flying around. Anyway, different video this one. Been out this morning, done a couple of quotes. I've got the jobs, so they booked in for next week. And presently I am, what am I doing? I'm trying to fit a set of roof racks to my car, specifically for the Ford Mondeo kind of a state. So I'm having a bit of a problem with that at the moment. I didn't realise you had to cut them down to make them fit, but that's what I'm kind of doing. And a little cutting machine which I had decided to pack up, so I've just been out and bought myself a little hacksaw. But these are the ones here, absolutely solid. So I've got as far as putting one on and then that one over there, so I've just got to carry on to put the other one on. That's what we're going to do now. Welcome to my very messy garage, by the way. I'm in the middle of tidying things up. I've got far too much stuff in here than I actually need. That's got to go, this big lawnmower. I bought myself a battery powered one. I'm really pleased with that because with that one there, you've got the leads and you're always messing around with it and trying to move it one thing or another. Plus it's cumbersome and heavy. And it's damaging my lawn as well. It kind of takes big chunks out of the lawn for some reason. I don't know why that is, but I'm pretty fed up with it. So I bought myself one on Amazon. I think I paid about £90 for that little battery one. I think that's probably one of the best £90 I think I've ever spent. Anyway, Junior Hacksaw. I've just been down to local sort of a DIY shop. I'm going to use this to cut one of the bars I can put on my car then. So I think that's what I'm going to do now. That was bloody clever, wasn't it? I think I've pretty much got everything. Just a matter of putting this in there now and putting it down, then putting the other end in. This is the Thunder, apparently. Thunder. I got it from Amazon. I did look at the Thule one, T-H-U-L-E, Thule. But that was coming in at something like about £300, and I thought that's a bit expensive. I didn't really want to spend any more than say 150, and I saw this on Amazon at a good price. I'm just trying to, there might be a burr or two on that. That's the reason why it might not be going in very easily. I might have to deburr it. Yeah. Got a few burrs there, I think. It's only aluminium, so it's quite a soft metal, so to knock the burrs off shouldn't be much of a problem. There we go. Right, you got a little bit of leeway to play with, so I can pull it out slightly and then go and attach the other side. Got like a little rubber thing here, so that needs to be inserted in there like so, and then it's a matter of just getting it level and then making sure that that lip is underneath. That's important. That is in my pocket somewhere. I should have an Allen key. Okay, lift it up a bit so we can hopefully fit under it, and then I tighten it up, get it absolutely murder tight, because you obviously don't want these things flying off, do you? So the idea is I'm getting more work coming in. I need to get myself a decent pair of ladders at some point, because I have got some extendable ones in there, but they don't quite get up to the top where the gutter is. I still have to reach, and if I overreach then I could quite easily fall. It wouldn't be a very good thing to fall off some ladders, would it? About 25-30 feet. That wouldn't end very well. Yeah, I'd have been in an ambulance. That's apt. Okay. Right. That is as solid as you like, pretty much. There we go. A new set of roof racks, roof rails, or what you want to call them. I might get some wind noise from them, but I'm sure they'll be okay. Yeah. A quick spot of lunch. Proper butter, by the way, not some of this margarine crap you get, which is manufactured by the oil industry or whatever, and some nice English mustard. That's right, spread it over there like jam. I do like a nice mustardy ham sandwich. There we go, that's going to be my lunch, with a cup of coffee as well, and then I'm going to take myself out and do some work on my bike. Right, when we get to the chain mechanism, so what I want to do is basically just kind of dry the chain off. Okay. Could do with an airline really to get in there and kind of blow all the moisture off of the gear system at the back and the derailleurs and whatever else, but I'm sure with a good old rag you can get most of it off. Yeah, anyway, so we've got some oil I bought from a shop. It's lithium grease spray, lubricates moving parts and sliding surfaces. So it's got some kind of chain there, so I'm thinking to myself, that's going to be good for my bike, so that's what I'm going to do. Just going to spray it up. Oh, it's come up a different colour. Okay, that's interesting. I'm not sure why mine, but there's probably a reason for it. It's always good to give it a good old spray up of this stuff, or something like it's some sort of an oil based maybe. Yeah. There you go. That would probably do a power of good, I think. Yeah. Tyres are all good, pressures are okay. Yeah, I'm really happy with this bike, to be honest. I use it quite a lot in my videos with the old drone flying behind me. I find it, you know, interesting footage. It just gives me another angle, let's say, to my videos. I'm always after another little angle to my videos. Makes it a little bit more interesting. But this one's a bit different, isn't it? I hope to go out for another video make tomorrow. I'm not sure where I'm going to go yet, but I'll get on Google Earth, Google Maps, try and find something. I put another little kind of a mount on here, so it would kind of film me when I'm sat on the bike cycling away, but that turned out to be pretty unusable just because it was just so much bounce in it. Hello. Don't mind the drone, okay? Okay. And I have seen some videos where it looks really good, but I'm not sure whether they've actually used one of those. I think they've obviously used something else, and I don't know what that is. But I'm hoping to try and get some footage of myself, perhaps, you know, riding a bike with a camera sort of coming this way. I could have chosen an easier place to go. I always knew this place was going to be a bit of a challenge, and it presented a massive challenge for flying your drone in the wood. I mean, there's just little twigs and bushes and just everywhere. So it does present, you know, one heck of a drone flying nightmare challenge, but I enjoyed it. You know, that's my little time away in the woods. My little time away in the woods. Okay. Yeah, it's good fun. Anyway, so I'm going to jump in the car in a moment, and we're going to just drive the 4 or 5 miles back home, sit down, have a cup of coffee, make my little video, yeah, and see how we get on. Hello, don't worry about the drone, okay? Cheers. There we go. That was fun. That was fun. Enjoyed that. That was fun.